Yo guys, Ponchi here, and today we're going to learn how to use the Arpeggiator on our Moog Grandmother synths. Let's go. Alright guys, so the way to use the Arpeggiator on the Grandmother is you want to make sure the mode over here is set to ARP, and then the simple and easy way to use the Arpeggiator is you just press this green button over here, the one that says play, and then go ahead and make a chord. Now also, right here, this blue button is the hold button. If you press that, you can take your hand off and whatever chords you play, it'll change to that chord. Now the different modes we have over here, the direction modes are order. So whatever order you press the keys in will play it in that order. So if I do C, E flat, G, you can hear it doing an ascending thing. If you do G, E flat, C, then it'll descend. So that way you can get some interesting combinations like E flat, G, C. Then you can always add in another note after the fact. Then the next direction we have is forward and backward, which basically does an up-down kind of thing. And then the final order that we have is random. With random, you might end up getting a couple repeat notes. Same with forward and backward. And then of course you have 1 octave, 2 octaves, and 3 octaves. The great thing about hold is that it frees up your hands for other things like filter sweeps. And probably the funnest knob of all in relation to the Arpeggiator is the rate knob. Now the rate knob is also dependent on the tap tempo over here. So whatever you set your tap tempo to, the rate knob will adjust to that. So all you got to do is press the tap tempo 4 times. Like if I wanted a slow one, 1, 2, 3, 4, that sets your rate at whatever you tapped out. Definitely a good way to kind of sync up with other people if you want. If you're playing this live in a band, you can use that to adjust your tempo, your Arpeggiator tempo, to the tempo of the band. Alright, and that's it for the Arpeggiator. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.